What is up, guys? Good morning. This is how it looks like during the morning. And morning, baby.
Good morning.
Here's our table for the day. Wow. Thank you so much, Camp Malicot. We have another jam-packed table for our meals. What are you eating, baby?
Tomato.
Milo. Cool. Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, a foreign Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check
Guys,
out.
for today's vlog, for the first time, mabivisit natin ang micro resort dito sa Pampanga. It's our first time to visit this kind of resort,
Yeah,
bro.
so actually nandito tayo ngayon sa Camp Malicot Micro Resort and titingnan natin kung ano yung mga nasa loob nila.
Yun guys, so just to give you an idea, so from the name itself, micro resort, if you have like 2,000 pesos, 3,000 pesos, and you want an exclusive private resort of your own, we're gonna show you all this place.
Yes.
So if you're interested to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! So nandito tayo ngayon sa Camp Malicot. Isa sa mga villa nila is yung Lourdes. So ito yung mga pang siguro small group of 2 to 5 packs, mga small barkada. So meron tayong mini pool dito, meron tayong sink, meron tayong small table, dining area. Same time meron dito yung refrigerator. Yan. So inside, yan. So meron tayong double deck, good for yung small family, small barkada, even couple pwede rin dito. Meron tayong TV, air condition, kumpleto rin siya. Meron din tayong toilet and bath. So as low as 2,798 pesos, makakapag-stay ka na dito sa Lourdes Villa ng Camp Malicot.
At ayun nga guys, welcome muli dito sa Camp Malicot Micro Resort at itutur ko kayo dun sa isa sa dalawang available na villas dito nga sa Camp Malicot. So tara! Ayan. So papansin nyo guys, from the name itself, micro resort. Ang resort na to is actually fit up until 10 persons siguro. And then look at the swimming pool area. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Ito naman ay good for, dipping. Pangtapasaw lang talaga yung pool natin dito. Now, they have 2 rooms available. The first one is Felicidad and Teresa. So, before we go there, notice meron tayo ditong counter table, mini bar. And then, dito naman, yung dining area natin. So, again, papansin nyo, napaka-tropical. No, meron tayong nipa hut, parang ganyan. Additional recreation, meron tayo ditong dartboard. So, pasok tayo sa isa sa mga room nila. Kasi basically, these 2 rooms are identical. So, kung makikita natin dito, it's just the same for Teresa. So, tara! So, pansin nyo guys, meron tayo ditong LCD TV. Kung nagre-relax ka dito sa loob, you can actually enjoy YouTube or, online movies pwede dito. Now, for the accommodation, yung sleeping area natin, meron tayong double deck. Ayan. This is fit for 2 dito sa taas and at least siguro maximum of 3 dito sa baba. So all in all, this bed is up until 5 persons. Now, if you want to extend it, meron tayong additional mattress dito. So up until 6 siguro. Now, this room is actually air-conditioned. Pansin nyo. Ayan. And then, each room is also equipped with toilet and bath na rin. Yun nga guys, so for as low as 4,500 pesos during weekdays and 5,500 pesos during weekends and holidays, imagine yourself dipping in this pool if you are a small family, up until 10 person, or a small barkada with intimate meet-up with a little bit of dip. You might consider Camp Malicot. You might consider Camp Malicot Micro Resort for your destination. Let's check the time. It's 7:25 in the evening, and this is how it looks like during the evening, during the night. And the good thing, hello. Good thing eh, hindi maulan ngayon and ma-enjoy namin yung mini or private resort. Very generous, no? Dahil pinag-prepare nila tayo ng dinner. Guys, so we have crablets. Meron tayong inihaw na bangus. Some vegetables. This is lechon kawali. Open natin yung mga nandito. This is sisig. Look at that.
Wow, sisig.
This is Cajun. Seafood Cajun. Let's see. This is stuffed pusit. There you go. And of course, yung rice natin. There you go. Alright. Thank you so much, Camp Malicot. Kain na. You like it, baby?
Galing pala nito, minor sila. You want to go there? Saan mo gusto mo pumunta dyan? Ah. Gusto mo mag-ride?
I want to watch sunset. Ang lamig ng tubig.
At ayun na nga, nagsimula na ang swimming.